Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Delivers. In this video, we are discussing room dividers. I'll show you the options, what options are available, the sizes, the height, how we are placing the partitions, and all the information you would require for a room divider. In fact, it's a temporary room wall where you want to separate a particular area of the room. If you remember a few years back during COVID time, a lot of work from home was happening. And that time it was one thing that was in high demand because people were segregating their home space for an office area or wherever there is a temporary wall arrangement required. This is one thing that has been used for years, in fact decades. And same designs we were making in shisham wood, but now the modern thing is the mango plus MDF designs. I'll show you that one also. First, I'll show you the shisham wood design. In shisham wood, the design is 100% shisham. The entire thing that you are looking at is shisham wood. The size of one panel, if I talk about one panel, is 20 inches, 20, a couple of inches more than 1.5 feet. The standard height is 6 feet. This is standard for all the partitions, mostly, unless a round partition that is a little smaller, comparatively smaller, but the standard size is 20 inches each panel. Then it comes in the number of panels. You can go for 5 panels. This one is 3 panels. You can go for 4 panels. That is as per the requirement, how much space you want to cover. The standard formation of a partition when you place it is zigzag, just like it is right now. And it's very easy to move as well. All you need to do is fold it, remove these legs. I'll show you the leg concept a little later on. This is how the partition is folded, and when you want to place, simply stretch it wherever you want it. So this is how the partition is stretched, and you can cover any area that you require. These doesn't fall very easily, but yes, if there is a force, because this is a self-standing unit here, it's not like a wall. So if someone pushes it very hard, then definitely it will fall down, but not itself. It doesn't go down itself. As you can see, I'm pushing it very hard and it's standing in its place. The classic partitions were all made in shisham wood so far. Recently, we introduced the mango one also. I'll give you the details of this one also. But let me first give you the details. Now, when we are stretching the partition like this in zigzag formation, it generally covers lesser area due to the area in the middle for the zigzag. But when we are putting it straight, then we can cover the entire length, 20 inches each panel. So if we have 5 panels or 6 panels, 20 into 5, 100, 20 into 6, 120. 120 means we are covering 10 feet of area at a stretch. And to keep it straight, we need extra legs. These are the legs that we have to place. I'll show you the installation also. It's very easy and very quick as well. You just need a couple of people one to hold the unit and one to insert the legs and tighten the screws. That is the only installation. Similar to this design, we have this one. This is also in shisham wood. Shisham wood is 100% shisham. Everywhere is shisham wood. Now coming to the mango and MDF. But in mango MDF, the sides are of mango wood. As you can see, this light color wood here, and the middle part, this jali part, is MDF. And this is how the modern partitions are made. This is low cost and the quality is not very great, but this is running model sold in huge numbers, and we are delivering it everywhere across India. The same concept for 4 partitions, 3 partitions, 5 partitions, how much you want it, accordingly we provide it. One panel is 20 inches, height is 6 feet. Now coming to the installation part, let me show you with the smaller one. It's a three panel unit. For 3 panels, we need 4 legs. So this is the leg part. You see a slot in here. This goes right here, as you can see. And then you need someone to hold the partition from the back. And then so this leg is inserted. Now it's fixed here. Now for the middle panels, the leg will go right in the middle. As you can see, it's in the middle of both the panels. And when you put it like this goes straight. So one leg here, one leg on this side, and this can be put exactly straight. We'll provide a hole. If you want, you can put in a screw. If you don't want the screw also, then the partition goes straight like this. So depending on the number of panels, you have extra legs, always one leg extra. For 3, you have 4 legs. For 5, you have got 6 legs, and insert it and it becomes straight. When you want to wrap it, remove the legs, fold it and keep it on a side. This is how the partition works. All these partitions are listed on our website. We have a modern partition category and shisham wood partition category as well. So pick what you like. Let us know what you want, number of panels, design, colors. If you want more dark color, you want lighter color, you want to go for white or some other color or golden, we have done that as well. We can do the color as per your requirement. Standard unit, standard prices, making it for decades and delivering all across India. Out of India also we deliver, but the cost was very high because it's a big unit, so the shipping charges are really high. So that is why outside India, only in bulk we supply, or there are multiple items. Together with that, we can send one unit as well. For any questions, you can contact us. The number is right here. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.